to the channel. If you aren't already, don't forget to subscribe. Your boy finally hit 500. So now the goal is 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it. I know I can do it. And hopefully we get there by the end of this year. My goal is 2,000 by the end of the year, but who knows? Hopefully we get there. If we don't, there's always next year to set goals. But on to the video. Let me give you guys a quick cold start. By the title of this video, you guys already know what we're doing, but first I want to go wash my car because my car is super dirty. There's a lot of pollen all over it, so I want to get that cleaned up. So we're gonna do that real quick. The car wash is actually not that far from where I live, so So yeah, the car wash isn't that far from where I live. It's about like 10 minutes. So it should be quick little run, and then we're gonna come back and remove the plasti dip that's in my wheels. Alright, well, everyone and their mom. So yeah, I'm gonna go and wash my car real quick. It's not that far from where I live. It's about 10 minutes. Then, by the title of the video, we're gonna switch out the OEM lug nuts and put on the new lug nuts that I got from Z1. I believe they're called Shank Lug nuts. Shank. I don't know, but if I'm incorrect, I'm gonna put it in the video. But I got them from Z1 because apparently you can't really put aftermarket lug nuts on the stock wheels, but these are made for OEM wheels from Z1. I'm not sure if they make it or if they get it from somewhere else, but I got those. I also got authentic, genuine Nismo valve caps for my tires, which are pretty cool because I got the eBay ones that are like $5, and the red on the cap actually faded away, so they're pretty bad. They're like pink now. With these are legit. They won't fade like the fake eBay ones that I got. Mustang. So that should look cool, and they do look a lot more sturdy. I got the Z1 package today, so I decided to make this video. Also, a while ago, over a year ago, I plasti dipped my wheels bronze. These wheels look so good. So good. And the inside of the rim still has plasti dip from when I removed it, and it just looks ugly, so I'm gonna be doing that too. We might as well do it while I have the lug nuts off and clean the inside of the wheels. But yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning inside of the wheel to take off the remaining of the plasti dip, just because it looks so dirty and it just looks like it needs to be done. So I'm gonna do that while I have the lug nuts off and I'm switching them, and it should make the wheels look pretty clean. So let's get to the car wash and get on with the video. Car wash is popping. Where's this one? Done with the car wash. Head back home. Stuck on the side of the road. This roundabout is always scary because people fly through it like they don't have to yield. I almost get hit every morning I drive to work. I always almost get hit because someone doesn't want to yield and they slam their brakes and they act like it's my fault. But it's not. This is always sketch, cuz. No. So this is a package I got from Z1 earlier today, which comes with that whatever, but the important stuff is this, the valve stem caps, and these are genuine, and as you can see it's in Japanese, which is pretty cool. I have no idea what that says, but these are going to replace those fake eBay ones. And these were, I believe, like 22 on Z1. So that's pretty cool. And these are the lug nuts that I bought from Z1. They're the Z1 lug nut kit, shank type, black. I decided to go with black just because I wanted to change the look of the silver polish look and put black. I think that would look cool with the super red Nismo valve cap, which will look pretty good. I finally picked up an impact gun on Amazon. It had really good reviews, so I had to get it because it'll make things a lot easier to work on the car instead of trying to do everything by hand. So this should come in handy, and I haven't used it yet because I haven't had anything to use it for, but today I'm gonna be using it to take off my lugs, and it should be a lot easier. So much easier. 10 out of 10. That literally took like a minute to take off 10 lug nuts. If I did not have this, I would still be sitting here trying to take off the lug nuts. So
So these are the lug nuts that I pulled out. This one's pretty bad. I don't know if it'll be able to focus, but yeah, it's time for some new lug nuts, and I think the black ones will look way better than these. These just look cheap, and I don't know, I could have painted these black, but the paint would have came off super easy. So these are the eBay valve stems that I got about a year ago, and these were like super red. Now the red has faded and it's like pink, and they don't even compare to these right here. It's like double the size of the one I got on eBay, so these should be a lot better. And the fact that they're genuine, authentic, made in Japan, these are gonna look super sick. What I'm gonna be using is brake cleaner from AutoZone. I saw that this was the best thing to take off Plasti Dip with, so hopefully it works out and I'm able to get the Plasti Dip from inside of the rim and get it all cleaned up. So let's get into it. Oh yeah, it's coming off pretty good. So I decided to stop cleaning the Plasti Dip off the wheels. I'm gonna save that for another video just because I don't have enough brake cleaner, and I'm pretty sure AutoZone is already closed. But as you can see, inside the wheel was extremely dirty, and once I start cleaning off the Plasti Dip, the brake dust started coming off with it, so it just made the wheel look so much worse than it was. So I'm gonna take my time and clean inside of each wheel because the brake dust is like matted in there, and I don't know the last time it was cleaned or if it was cleaned at all. So I'm gonna save that for another video. We're gonna put on these new lug nuts and valve stem caps and complete this video, because cleaning the wheels for another video would be a lot better and it won't be as long. So let me show you guys the wheels. The one I cleaned with brake cleaner and the one that still hasn't been touched. There's a lot of brake dust. That's why I'd rather take my time and clean each wheel and buy more brake fluid to clean each wheel, or something else to clean the wheels much better than brake cleaner. But brake cleaner does do the job to take off the Plasti Dip and the brake dust. I just don't have enough. AutoZone closes early because of the whole virus thing, so we're gonna continue that for another video. But let me show you guys the inside of the one I cleaned and the one that hasn't been touched, which is pretty dirty. So as you can see, this one's the one that's clean with the brake fluid, and once I started cleaning the Plasti Dip off, all the brake dust, as you can see right there, there's still dirt and grime and brake dust in there. So I'd rather save that for another video and actually clean inside, and it feels so much better inside. But I need to clean the spokes. I don't want to lay the wheel down because it's concrete, but as you can see, there's still dirt. I cleaned that one so you can see the difference. And this right here is the wheel that I haven't touched. As you can see, all that is brake dust. I'd rather get in there and clean it pretty good and save that for another video so I can clean it really good and make it look just as good as this, or even better. I'm gonna look up some things to see what is the best thing to use to clean your wheels. But I'm gonna put these wheels back on with the new lug nuts and the valve stem. So if you do like this setup, I would 100% 10 out of 10 recommend these Z1 lug nuts in black. They do have them in polish, but I wanted something different, and black just looks so good with OEM wheels. I'm sure the polished ones would look pretty good too, but the black just looks so good and it's different. And I do recommend the Nismo valve stem. I was iffy about this just because my Nismo ones did fade pretty quick and they look so bad when they did, but I had no other choice to run those because I had no other valve stems. But that's gonna be the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.